Hello, how are you all? Hope you are all doing fine and in good health. Keep yourself healthy. Okay, children? You are all very, very important to us. I am waiting eagerly for my children to come back to the school. Without you, it's quite boring here, children. I always pray to God that everything comes back to normal and we are all together. Eagerly waiting for all of you, hoping that everything comes back to normal. Let's know about the people who help us. Lot of people help us. Cobblers, shopkeepers, postmen, policemen, doctors, and many more around us. Few of them we are going to study in this chapter. About few of them. Okay, children? Shall we start it? Behind me, you can see lot of people are there, images are there, isn't it, children? Quite a few of them I could get here who help us, isn't it? In this corona, the nurse, ambulance workers, the driver of the bus, isn't it, teacher, then you have the postal workers, the police officer, mechanics, all doctors, garbage collector, firefighter, builder, milk developer, librarian, lunchtime supervisor, SAS officer, taxi driver, everybody plays a very important role in our life. They all play a very important role. But do we thank them for their services? No, but we complain. Isn't it? For example, if you are calling an ambulance, it doesn't come on time. We are very impatient. We are very angry that they did not come. Or when we are, posting a letter or something and it doesn't reach on time, the other person is impatient. Children, we should be thankful. God has given us such beautiful people around us. God has helped us with a lot of people around us. Let us thank all these important people. They are doing a lot of work for us. Along with them, I would also like to take this opportunity to tell you to thank your parents also, your mother, your father. They are also helping us, in every possible way. Mother plays all type of roles, mother plays. She is a teacher, she is the chef, isn't it? She is the person who advises us when we are wrong. She is the counselor, isn't it? She advises us, isn't it? Then she is also the best person, best friend in this world. Then your father, he also plays such an important role, working for the family, doing a lot of things. Whatever mother tells to buy, buys from the market, or you tell them to buy from the market. And then he gives it to the house, isn't it? He is devoting his hard-earned money, his hard-earned time, his love, affection, everything for the family. So I would like to tell you, please thank your parents. Please thank them enough also. Although that is not included in this chapter, but people should have the habit of thanking. Nowadays we are forgetting that. We don't thank people, but we complain. So let us stop complaining and start thanking. That is the message from this chapter. Okay, children, let us start with this chapter. Please take page number 53. Lesson number 8. People who help us. Get started. Look at the pictures given below. Here they have given some pictures in the book, but I would suggest you to look at the pictures here. A lot of pictures are there. More than this, a lot of other pictures are also here. So you can look here also. Tell your teacher what each person does. Discuss how each person helps us. See, children, there you can see first picture, a police officer, a newspaper boy, a person, a plumber, isn't it? Is repairing the pipes. Then you can see the milkman, you can see the sweeper, you can see the vegetable vendor, isn't it, children? Do you know the names of your neighbors? If you do not, find out. Always greet them when you see them. Always wish them, say good morning, good afternoon or good evening. Whenever you see, at whichever time you see, that time you can respond to them. If it is morning, you say good morning, or else you say good evening or good afternoon. Every work has its importance, children. Without these people, our world will not be so beautiful. Work is worship and every work has got its dignity. Without each, the world won't be beautiful. Will the place be so clean without the sweepers around us? No, they are also important. But sometimes when we see the sweepers, we don't like them, isn't it? Oh, they are sweeping. It's not a good job. Children, every job has got its dignity. Every job is important. All of us are playing a very important role in this life. Every one of us will play an important role, and every one of these people are also playing an important role. Oh, you are important, your parents are important, your whole family is important. Like that, each person is important in this world. He or she plays a very important part in this world. That's why we should keep it clean, neat and tidy. The world has to look beautiful, and it will be beautiful with the help of every person. Everyone is important. Grandfather takes Jay to meet the people who help us. Do you remember Jay? When the first chapter was there, they were explaining about the different organs and all that. Isn't it one of the chapters? They were explaining about organs and all that time. Jay was telling, grandfather was telling why walking is important, why we should go for walk. In that Jay was there. The grandfather was explaining about the heart, stomach, etc. Do you remember? The same person, Jay. So grandfather takes Jay to meet the people who help us. Grandfather, Jay, some people help us in our everyday lives. They work very hard to help us. Our lives cannot run without them. Let's meet a few of them today. Here is a cobbler. Who is a cobbler, Maklai? Whenever you have a problem with your slippers, isn't it? You go to the cobbler to mend it. Sometimes your mother will have a problem with the bag, isn't it? Then she goes to the cobbler will help with the zip and everything, and it will be better. Do you remember? So a cobbler makes and mends our shoes and slippers. So what does a cobbler do, Maklai? A cobbler repairs and also makes our shoes and slippers. Okay, Maklai? So a cobbler is very, very important. Okay, he repairs it. Not only that, sometimes if your umbrella is also having a problem, we go to the cobbler and ask him for help. He will fix it up for us. He fixes the bags also. It's not given here. I'm just providing extra information. He will fix the bag for you, repair the umbrella also for you, isn't it? Repair your slippers for you. Okay, some cobblers also make chappals and shoes and slippers and also give. Like that also, some local cobblers are also there. Okay, Maklai? So cobblers are very important, isn't it? Each person is important. Each work is important. Every work has its own dignity. Okay, Maklai? Jay? I remember once my school shoes were torn. Papa took them to the cobbler. The cobbler mended them so well that they looked new. So Jay is telling he remembers his father had once taken the shoes for repairing and had given it to the cobbler. Who had given? Jay's father had given it to the cobbler and had got it repaired. So Jay is telling now after repairing, the shoes were looking good as new. Okay, so that's the importance of a cobbler. Now let's see who is the next important person here. Grandfather. Yes, that's what they do. Yes, that's what the cobblers do. They repair our shoes. They not only do that, they repair the bags also, Maklai. And whenever you have a problem with your umbrella, that also the cobblers usually repair and give you. They repair the big purses or bags that you have with the zip and all that. And also with a new handle. Sometimes some cobblers have a new handle to put it. Otherwise, some cobblers also repair the umbrellas. It's not here. I just gave you some information. Do you remember some incident like that? If so, do try to remember. Okay, fine. And tell me when you come to the class. Grandfather. Yes, that's what they do. This is a postal worker. Maklai, here I have the image of a postman. Postal worker. Not like that women can't do this or men can't do that, isn't it? Nowadays, both men or women are able to do the work. Whatever they like, if they know the work properly, they can do it and help their family. Here you can see a postman, isn't it? What does a postman do? Let us see in the chapter. This is a postal worker. Jay, a postal worker? Grandfather, a postal worker brings us letters. What does a postal worker do, Maklai? He or she, that is, if it is a postman, he, and if it is a postwoman, she. He or she will bring us letters. A postal worker can be a postman or a postwoman. I told you, male or female, it doesn't matter. Nowadays, everybody believes in equality of gender. Everybody has the right to work. Everybody, those who like to work, can work, isn't it? So, postman or postwoman, what does they do? They bring us letters. You can see here, there is a post box. This post box is also quite common. You might have seen. Try to keep your eyes open and see in your place, somewhere near your place, there will be a post box. Before and all, lot of people used to post letters, but nowadays mobile is there, emails are there, isn't it? Mobile phones are there, so people are not using much of letters. But really, these letters are such beautiful pieces to be kept very safely. You have beautiful memories. Your parents write to you, your relatives write to you, and you keep it safely. Now when you open it, letters, you will find it so good, children. You can ask your mother or father if they had received one letter, inland or postcard. Then whenever we go to certain places and all, people will send postcards from there. There will be a photo of that place, and behind that they will write from which place they are sending and anything like that. So beautiful memories you can build with these letters. Still you can see the post office and all. And nowadays in post office, not only letters, there are also savings. Postal savings also can be done through post office. And it's a very beautiful place, children. Stamps. Some people have stamp collection as their hobby also. Okay, children? A postal worker can be a postman or a postwoman. Now let us see what the grandfather is going to tell next. Yes, Maklai, turn the page. Page number 54. J. Grandpa, look at this hospital. Darshan's mother works here. He says she is a doctor. What does a doctor do? My children know that. Why? Because now this is COVID time and doctors are so very important. We know about doctors. Maybe your mother might be a doctor, or your father might be a doctor, or you might have a doctor in your family as your relative, isn't it? These doctors and nurses are playing a very important part in our life now, isn't it, Maklai? They are working day and night for our benefit, for us to live long, isn't it? So hats off to all those health workers also. Some people are not doctors, but they are health workers. They work in the hospital. They work in different departments, isn't it? They are also doing a very essential thing for us. Not only them, the ambulance people, ambulance worker, taking the ambulance whenever they are called for, isn't it? Driving and taking that. They are also doing, every person in the health industry is working day and night now for us. We should be thankful to them. We should thank them for their services. So Darshan's mother is a doctor. What does the doctor do? Jay asks. Grandfather says, when we are ill, the doctor tells us what we must do to get well again. Grandfather, when we are ill, the doctor tells us what we must do to get well again. Yeah, let my children know, isn't it? So the doctors help us to get well again. They prescribe medicines and they make us healthy again, isn't it? So that is what an important role of doctors. Here I have two images. One doctor, a male doctor and a female doctor. Shall we see it? See, Maklai? You can see a doctor here, isn't it? Taking care of the person. How sincere and how patient the doctor is having. Very patiently she is taking care of the patient. Lot of patience you need for this profession. Every profession needs a lot of patience. Let's see the next one. Here another doctor is there. This doctor is taking care of that person, isn't it? Such a beautiful profession. It's rightly called the profession, noble profession, isn't it? It's very good profession, bringing back people to life, doing surgeries, isn't it? Doctors do surgeries and they bring back to life. They have done such a lot of work for the people. Because of them, we are all alive. Thank you, doctors. Makle, so I end today's class on this note. Okay, children? So I have taken some half part of the chapter. The other half I will be taking in my next class. Makle, hope you understood what I taught you today. Each person is important. The work of each person is important to the society. Everyone is important to the society. The person is doing a small work or big work, doesn't matter. They all play a vital part in our society. Whoever is helping us, we should be always thanking them. So please, first of all, thank your grandparents, thank your parents, thank your brother or sister. Thank everybody who is there in your family, because all of them are helping you, and you also, children, play a very important part. Okay, so all of you are also important. Makle, also thank the people who help us, the newspaper boy or the postal worker. Today we learnt about the doctor, also we learnt cobbler, isn't it, Makle? So everybody who helps us, yes, you might be telling, we are paying them. When a cobbler helps us, we are paying. Yes, you are paying. But if that person was not there, who will repair it? Isn't it, Makle? So payment is not an issue. Gratitude. You should have gratitude. So, Makle, with this, I come to the end of this topic. I will take the remaining part of the chapter in the next class. Makle, keep yourself healthy and safe. Bye-bye, children. And thank you. Because of you, I love my profession. You people are important, my dear children. Thank you, Makle. Meet you in the next class.